I am working on the trunk latch for the Acura TL today, and you'll see that the trunk latch is sitting on the lid here, but it is covered up by this fabric liner here, and we have to remove that to get this off. I'm going to take this whole liner off for the purpose of our video here, but you're just going to look and go in and pry these clips. I use a tack puller, but you might want to use plastic pry tools, and just be really careful because these clips get kind of brittle over the years. So here's what those clips look like. You see that I was a little rough, but I am in the salvage yard, and I did break a clip here, so you definitely want to be careful. I think working from the bottom worked pretty well for me, and then coming up to the top. So the latch is just held on by two 10mm bolts. You'll take those out and the latch will drop down. There's this wire that comes in from here. This releases the pull string from inside of the trunk. It's this rubber tab right here. And so you just kind of pull down on that and just work it out. And then the other tricky part of this job is that there is a plastic clip here that's a little hard to get out if you want to get it out in one piece. I sometimes stick my finger in on this side to press on the left side of the tab, and then stick a small screwdriver right in the middle of that. It's a little hard to show, but I'll see if you can see it, and I'll give you a close-up of what this tab looks like when I pull it out. But you can, if you're replacing the latch, you would just unplug it here. There's a tab for the electrical plug on the back of that, and you just pull that out. So here is a close-up of that tab, and what I was describing is that I stick my finger on the left side, and then I use the small screwdriver to kind of go and press the middle tab to release it, and it'll just drop down. But that's probably more than what you need to do this job. Hopefully the replacement that you buy will have one of these. There is the latch. It is 5 pins, so if you see a 3-pin version of it out there on the internet, it's not going to fit the car. I'll have a link to eBay as well as the OEM part number in the description. We'll see you next time.